How do the tides impact birdwatching in Cape May? If you have ever wondered how the rhythm of the ocean affects birdwatching, Cape May, New Jersey, offers a fascinating example. The tides here play a significant role in shaping the birdwatching experience. This coastal location, where the Atlantic Ocean meets Delaware Bay, features a variety of habitats like salt marshes, mudflats, and tidal wetlands. These areas change dramatically with the tide cycle, creating unique opportunities for birdwatchers. During low tide, vast mudflats and salt marshes are exposed. This reveals rich feeding grounds filled with invertebrates like horseshoe crab eggs, worms, and small crustaceans. These food sources attract many shorebirds, including black-bellied plovers, dunlins, and greater yellowlegs. Birdwatchers can witness large flocks of these birds actively feeding, especially during spring and fall migrations. This is a prime time to observe the incredible diversity of shorebirds that stop in Cape May to refuel. As the tide rises, these feeding areas become submerged. Shorebirds then seek higher ground, resting on salt marsh edges or dunes. While they may not be as active during high tide, this behavior can concentrate birds into smaller areas, making them easier to spot. Additionally, some waterfowl and seabirds take advantage of the deeper waters that high tide provides, allowing 4 different birdwatching experiences. The timing of the tides also aligns with migration patterns. Cape May serves as a critical stopover for birds during their journeys. The availability of exposed tidal flats at low tide is essential for these birds to gain energy for their next leg. Birdwatching activities often adapt to the tidal schedule, maximizing sightings of feeding shorebirds during low tide and observing raptors or songbirds at other times of the day. In essence, the tides dictate the daily rhythm of bird activity in Cape May. Low tides reveal abundant feeding grounds that attract large numbers of shorebirds, while high tides create resting opportunities and influence the distribution of waterbirds. Understanding how tides impact birdwatching can greatly enhance your experience in this beautiful coastal biome. Whether you are a seasoned birdwatcher or a curious beginner, Cape May offers a dynamic and rewarding environment to observe the wonders of nature.